Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a little update on what's been going on lately. I know we haven't uploaded any long form videos here in a little bit. We've been on some trips and vacations, and I've tried to make the best of chopping up some shorts out of the existing content that we have on there. Also, I am working on a memorial for my dad who is passed. He passed last year. So I'm actually piecing together some stuff using CapCut, which my aunt has put together, and we're just working on getting that made right now. So that's kind of what I've been working on outside of this channel. But we will have more coming soon. So check back in a few weeks, maybe sooner than that. We'll see, see what happens. Definitely want to get back to the content about helping grow your YouTube channel, content related to business, content related to personal growth, some book reviews. I'm listening to a lot of audiobooks lately, picking some up on Kindle, just a few that I'm touching on right now. The Story Selling Method, the $1 Million Weekend by Noah Kagan, Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal, and just revisiting some old classics like 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I've seen some of the videos we made on that a while ago, have definitely started getting more views in search lately, so people are searching for that stuff. We really just did like chapter 1, so I might come back and do more chapters on that book. Seems like something that's pretty helpful to people. I know it's been a helpful book for me over the years. So there will be more coming. It might be a little bit, but we just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. It is summertime, so I hope y'all are having more fun out there and maybe even watching fewer videos. But tune back in soon. We'll have more for you in a few weeks. All right. Thanks.